I went home for a couple weeks to Ontario to visit friends and family. And while I was away, Ryan was working on the electrical, the solar for me. So first couple of days I came back, we finished that up. My battery died. I had to go get a new one. It's good that it died because now I know I have a nice strong battery. And honestly, if it couldn't take dying once, then I didn't want that to happen while I was in the middle of nowhere. Like super eager to get it on the road. So now I'm just trying to finish up kind of the things that I've half done so I can just kind of know that those big things are completely finished and not have a bunch of small things on my list. I've kind of just put the bed slats down. Some of them are Velcroed so that I can move it and get to the space underneath. And I'm gonna put my mattress in for the first time just to see how it looks. I actually didn't really think ahead. This kind of like space beside me that's open, I planned to kind of put something there so I could extend the length of the bed. But when I was cutting the foam, I didn't think of having that two separate piece situation, so I'm gonna have to fix that, but I'm just gonna see how it looks and also see if I can sit on top of it without hitting my head on the roof. I've been dreaming of a of a stranger. I've been dreaming of a geranium. Put my hands above. You were made for love. Laying by the campfire, I'm in love with you, woman. Of a stranger, dreaming of a geranium. Put my hands above. You were made to love. Could you say coming back for more? Gave you the night. Opened up my door. Walk in the night, standing at the wall. I know I'll be alright. I know I'll be I'm feeling heavy and I can't explain how I feel for you. You got me dizzy and I'm feeling blue.
walking in the city tonight. You wear the dress that makes you look so nice, like my fancy shoes. I wore them just for you. Tell me why all the good ones go. Well, I don't know, but I want it to somehow change. I'll be a better man if you just stay. But I'm a prisoner inside these walls. My bed is colder and I'm feeling small. If you're not sleeping with me, then I'll get no sleep at all.
I have this USB rechargeable water pump dispenser thing from Amazon. It came with a tube, but it was too short for the length I need to do it. It's meant for like one of those big water jugs. The plan, I went to Canadian Tire to pick up a longer vinyl tube. It's meant to be food safe. I hope I'm right. The whole like jug thing came with this kind of setup. It's like a lid so that when the red thing goes over it, it seals it. So I grabbed a drill and made a hole through it for the tube. Now I'm going to run it. Nice. I need something to seal that little space around where I drilled, which makes a lot of sense now that I think of it. But I've already been to Canadian Tire once today and I really don't feel like going back. So I think we're just gonna move on to something else.